Don't get hit this.
Maybe you should take it slow.
Hey really dolls, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here in another video. Oh my god, if you're not subscribed, you're still here, girl, thank you so much, it's greatly appreciated. I love you. First I've seen you girls, see my face. Oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed in the content I bring to you, I promise. Without further ado guys, today it's a very quick video, a kind of update if you will, my darlings. I'm here today to say first of all, hi my darlings, thank you so much for staying subscribed to your girl, because we all know your girl loves to disappear on you. Yes I do. I'm so sorry. As you guys already know, I do put my mental health first. That comes before YouTube, unfortunately, and Instagram. So if you don't see me upload regularly, or if you don't see me upload on Instagram and stuff like that, it's more likely that's what's happening, or I'll let you guys know. It's an update just to give you guys a little bit of insight of what you can get from me. I find that I am not a true influencer, and what I mean by that is that I don't really bring you guys into my life. I stopped doing a lot of the things that I brought to my channel before, like my weight loss journey and my hair journey and everything else that I used to bring you into my life a little bit more, my mental health and stuff like that. I find that I ain't really doing that. From now on, you're going to get one video from me a week, and that video is going to be about anything. It could be a tutorial, it could be a life update, it could be about my hair journey, it could be anything about my life. I'm going to bring you guys more in depth and learn who Ruriko really is. I find that yes, I do love tutorials, yes I do love reviewing makeup. I'm going to be doing a lot less of reviewing makeup, because I find that as much as I used to love it, I'm not really loving it anymore, and I've got to be true to myself, and you guys will see that I'm not really feeling it in my videos, and I never want to bring you subpar videos or a video just because I haven't uploaded and I just need to fling out something. I find my last couple of review videos just wasn't up to my standards, and I have to apologize for that. You can see that my mood is not where I am normally. I'm normally up here, as you guys already know. I'm a very hyperactive person because of my ADHD, and I just was very bland and plain in some areas. I had to cut out a lot of footage because I just wasn't feeling it. But I'm not feeling it, I'm not confident in the makeup looks that I do. I make a ton of mistakes, and it showed. I made so many mistakes with the last two tutorials, and I had to doctor the hell out of it, and it just came up to me in my eyes terrible, because I had a vision of how I wanted certain things to look, and it just didn't turn out that way. So because of that, that's the reason why I've been a little bit late. I'm going to be uploading every Friday. Every Friday I'll be uploading a new video, and if I do manage to upload more, it'll be later on in the week. Down to my second channel, I know I wanted to just concentrate on my second channel and just really focus on both, but I find that I haven't been focusing on any. Had some advice to just focus on one channel. I'm not sure what to do with that. I can definitely bring out a video on my main channel. That is definitely not an issue. I can do 2 videos a week on each YouTube channel, but let me know what you guys think about that. Considering I am now opening up my main channel to a lot of different things, would you guys like to see tutorials in there as well, or are you feeling just going to my other channel and it just be solely about tutorials? Because that's all that channel is ever going to be about. It's going to be about tutorials, nothing more, nothing less. That is all that channel will ever be if I continue to upload content to that channel. As for my main channel, that is also going to be about everything. Anything I want to talk to you guys about, anything I want to bring to you, fashion, whatever the case may be, I am going to bring it to you, because I find that I am not bringing you the content that I truly want to bring to you guys, and it's making me unhappy. It's making me unhappy because I feel like, oh, if I do a video for YouTube, it has to be a review, and I'm just not passionate about that anymore. Trust me, you'll get a lot more makeup videos, but they'll probably be like get ready with me's, a lot more just first impressions, not reviews, just like let's dive into this palette, what I think about it, not really diving too deep into the makeup, you know. That'll mean a lot of other products will be able to be introduced from other companies altogether, and I can give you guys an all-rounded juicy video. The reason why I'm not giving you the full videos a week that I used to give you when I was uploading regularly is because I find that the quality is not great. I want to give you quality over quantity. I'm going to concentrate on the one video, making sure that video is absolutely bomb and something I am proud to bring out to you guys. So that's the reason why I just wanted to quickly come on here and let you guys know what's going to be happening in the next couple of weeks. I've recorded so much today, and for the first time in a long time, I've absolutely loved everything that I was doing, and not one of them was a review. Not one of them was a review, so it just goes to show that I still love YouTube 100%. I still love Instagram 100%. It isn't the fact that I've outgrown YouTube now, I don't want to do it anymore. It really isn't that. I absolutely love every single one of you, but I'm going to open up my world a little bit more. I find that when I close off talking about mental health, I close off all the other stuff that I used to talk about. I used to talk about my children, how the certain things around me affected me. I used to talk about so much positivity, about my mental health and stuff like that. And I know even to this day, even though I haven't uploaded a mental health video in years, I still get messages from people who watch my old videos and ask me advice about borderline personality disorder and all the other stuff that I used to talk to about my binge eating disorder and stuff like that. So I want to bring those videos back 2.0, if you will, but I want to bring them back to you guys because it not only helps other people, but it helps me greatly. And when I feel a certain way, hopefully I will stay on YouTube because I can express myself without thinking that someone's gonna come along and be like, oh, this should be a review channel. I never wanted to be a review channel. It just so happened that it happened that way. I never wanted to be a review channel at all. I just found a passion for it at the time and I just ran with it. But you guys know, if you've been loyal from day one, I used to bring so many other videos to my channel, and I really want to go back to my roots with that because I don't want you guys to feel like I'm just some robot in front of the screen. I am a real person. I have 5 beautiful children. I have a partner. This is my life and I want to share a little bit more with you guys. So let me know what you think about that. Let me know in the comment section below how that feels. Are you feeling that? Are you feeling that? Or
no, Ruriko, I want you to sit in front of the camera, yeah? And I want you to just do reviews. Alright?
what do you guys think? So this is it. This is a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little time with me, sweetie, because I enjoyed my little self with you. And yes, it's been your girl Ruriko Yamazaki here. Listen, that you love the all that anybody needs, my darling, and I'll catch you. Yes, you, the one that came to the end of the video. How you girl, my darling, my honey, my everything. My lovely honey bunny. I'll catch you on another video, my darling. Yeah.